Welcome to the review on new tax slabs. Nirmala Sitharaman, the Finance Minister of India, has rejigged the personal income tax structure and has given a choice for the taxpayers whether to stick to the old regime or shift to the new regime. It's in similar lines to the one that has been done to the corporate taxes in September 2019. As per old tax regime, wherein taxpayers can use lot of reliefs, exemptions and deductions. Up to 2.5 lakhs, there is no tax. And from 2.5 lakhs to 5 lakhs, there is 5% tax. But if your total gross taxable income is less than 5 lakhs, then up to 5 lakhs you have no tax. In the new tax slabs, up to 5 lakhs there is no tax. So the difference come in the range from 5 to 15 lakhs. Earlier from 5 to 10 lakhs tax was 20%, but now 5 to 7.5 lakhs it is 10%, 7.5 lakh to 10 lakh it is 15%. Above 10 lakhs it is 30%, but now there is a 20% and 25% tax brackets also. The new tax regimes comes with a catch. The catch is that taxpayers has to forego their reliefs, exemptions and deductions. Above 15% in both the cases, tax rate is kept same as 30%. So now we will see whether new tax structure is really decreasing the tax burden on taxpayers or is it increasing the tax burden on the taxpayers. In the new tax slab rate introduced in budget 2020, there are no reliefs and exemptions and deductions. For example, we will consider a case study wherein standard deduction is 50,000, all other deductions under ATC as 1,50,000, which includes PPF, LIC, student school education expenses, national saving certificate in post office, tax shield FDs in banks as 1,50,000 and additional deduction for national pension scheme under section 80 CCD of 1B as 50,000. For time being, in this case study, let us assume all other miscellaneous deductions, namely HRA, health insurance under 80D, donations under 80G, and all other deductions approximate can be treated on a bare minimum basis as 70,000. Saving account interest earned is reimbursed for tax up to 10,000 under section 80 TTA. So the total exemptions comes out around 3.3 lakhs or 3 lakhs 30,000. So up to 5 lakhs in any case tax paid is 0. This is as per old slab rate without any exemptions, that you are not utilizing any of the exemptions above. You are not even using the standard deduction 50,000 for which no bills are required. With 3.3 lakh exemptions as above. This is second column, and as per the new tax regime, you cannot use any of the above deductions. So if your income is 5 lakhs rupee 1, this is going to be the tax you have to pay as per old slab, with exemptions, without exemptions, and without exemptions in new slab. If your total gross income is 7.5 lakh, remember that this is total gross income. This is not total taxable income. If you don't know the difference between them, you can leave this term. We will make a basic assumption that every individual makes at least a bare minimum of 3.3 lakhs savings, either in the name of NPS or health insurance or life insurance or HRA or PPF or LIC. So clearly we can assume around 3 lakhs as deductions, because 50,000 without any bills, without any investment, you can get straightforward in old tax regime. That is what is called a standard deduction. with 3.3 lakhs as exemption. Even with a person earning 8.3 lakhs, he need not pay any tax. But in the new tax regime, as he has to forego all reliefs and exemptions, he has to pay 50,000 tax. So clearly, it's worth noticing that the new tax regime is nothing but a small intelligent trick to lure more tax from taxpayers. So you can see for the different income tax brackets, say if you are 10 lakhs, it's your annual income is around 10 lakhs. See, no one will be paying 1 lakh tax using old tax regime, because there is a standard deduction of 50,000. You will do some bare minimal investment either in NPS or health insurance, definitely will be taking. If you are in a rented accommodation, definitely will be paying HRA. So you definitely will have a bare minimum of 3 lakhs. So also I did not include here tax exemption for interest on home loan. So if you add all those, minimum of 3 lakhs will be exempted as per old regime. But in the new regime, you have to pay 75,000. What Nirmala Sitharaman is trying to show is, she is comparing this 1 lakh 12,500 and 75,000 and telling that you are saving around 35,000 plus taxes. But you should never compare with this. You should compare 46,500 and 75,000. That is, you have to shred more tax. You have to invest less. You have to give or pay more tax to government. That is a clear-cut intention we can see. Likewise, the same can be seen for other higher incomes also. So clearly, don't move to the new tax regime. If you are going to move to the new tax regime, it is like you have to pay more taxes. Be ready to pay more taxes if you are going to move to the new tax regime. In the new tax regime, the trick is, even though the percentage of tax is less, but exemptions are removed. What about the 10% or 20% of tax on these 3,30,000 deductions? Do subscribe to our channel if you like this. Thank you.